like I'm innocent. I don't wanna face flash. I don't like me like you do. La la, love me like you do. Love me like you do. La la, love me like you do. Touch me like you do. Touch me like you do.
Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. If you haven't seen my face before, hello, my name is Shelby, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. So for today's video, if you can't tell by the title, this is going to be an Anastasia Steele or Mrs. Grey inspired makeup tutorial from the 50 Shades of Grey movie series, whatever. And yeah, I really enjoyed those movies and I like her innocent look she has in it. So I felt that I could easily recreate it, and it was fairly easy, as you'll see when you're watching this. So this is my general idea of what I think they do to get her makeup look in the movies. So if you want to see how I get this look, then just keep watching. So to start off, I'm going to have all my hair out of my face and out of the way. Honestly, to start off this look, I'd probably use a BB cream just for like a face foundation base, whatever you would call it, I don't know. But at first, I'm just going to apply some moisturizer. This is the, I don't know, O'Keeffe's Guaranteed Hardworking Skincare, and this is actually my fiance's, but I'm going to use it anyways because it feels pretty good on my skin, especially of how dry it is because of the winter air. So yeah, we're just going to put this all over the skin. And today I'm not going to be applying any primer because I'm just going to be putting concealer on just like little blemishes I have on my face and concealing a little bit underneath my eyes and my eyelids, and that's pretty much all I'm going to be doing to my face. And for my concealer, I'm just taking the L'Oreal Paris new True Match True Match Super Blendable Concealer, and it's in the color Fair Clair. I don't know about you guys, like I really like the 50 Shades of Grey movie. Like I like the storyline. Like I know it can be kind of a racy movie, but I think it's pretty good. And then I am going to cover it with some powder just to make sure it stays in place and doesn't move around. Ooh, that was kind of gross. I had no control over it though. And I don't know if anyone's really paying attention, but I'm at 25 subscribers now, and I know it's not a huge number, but to me it's pretty awesome because I've been on YouTube for a month now, a little bit under a month I think, or a full month, I'm not for sure. I'll have to look and check, but yeah, I'm at 25 subscribers now, and I'm pretty happy about that. So yeah, if you're new to my channel and watching this, make sure you subscribe. Like, I think the main thing when trying to get this look, I think it's mainly about the eyes and then the bangs, of course, and that's all I can really like pinpoint. And then her pinkish reddish lips, I don't know, like she just has, like, I guess it's a tinted chapstick she used, but I'm gonna try and mimic that look and see what we can get out of it. I'm not really gonna put any on my forehead because I am gonna pull out my bangs and like try to get them to look okay, but like I said, I cut my hair. My mistake. I shouldn't have did it. I know. I've done it several times where I cut my hair and then I hate it. And it's one of those times now, but it's growing. It's grown a lot more. I used to not be able to wear them as bangs until now, so I'm pretty glad that they're growing. So now we're just going to be applying my Maybelline New York Fit Me Matte Poreless powder in the shade 100 Volt Translucent. And we're just going to be putting that where I put all of the concealer just to set it. She seems to have like pinky rosy cheeks, so I'm just going to be using that just to put on my cheeks a little bit to give me some color back into my skin. And it is the 831E Pearlescent Pink, and it's in the Wet n Wild. It just looks like this. She just has a very natural look to her instead of a full face of makeup or anything like that on the show, in the movie. I really don't want to put too much because I feel like I'm just going to look scary if I do that. So, not that I don't look scary already, but you know. So then for brows, I'm just going to do my brows like I normally do. So yeah. I just brush them out with a spoolie. And then I'm just using my NYX Professional Makeup Eyebrow Pencil in the color black. That's just what it looks like. Oh, I hate when I do this. Oh my gosh, why? Why do I keep doing this? I get like caught under my brow bone or something and then I'll end up messing it up completely. I lied, we're not doing our brows like normal today because this is bad. We're just gonna brush them out and leave them alone because I don't know what else to do. Her brows are a little messy anyways, like in the movies. They're not perfect. You don't gotta be perfect for anything or anybody. Yep, that's what we're going with. Then I'm just gonna be taking this Blush Nudes Maybelline New York palette. It just looks like this. I've been in this palette a lot, as you could probably tell. There's a little bit of a scratch there, and yeah. I'm just gonna be taking this nudie shade, this one right here, and just putting that all over my lid. Just to get a nice base for the rest of the shadows. And she doesn't wear like crazy shadows either in the movie, like she's not full on a look, like it's just her own look. We're gonna be taking this pink color here and then this shimmery gold color here. I guess we'll just put them on the lid. And then I'm just going to be taking this eyeliner, this Neutrogena Nourishing Eyeliner in the color Cosmic Black 10, and just putting that, I'm going to try and do it on my top waterline, or lash line, not waterline. And then I don't think I'm going to, I might put a little bit on my bottom lash line as well. So I'm just going to run it a little bit above here, nothing too crazy. Just to kind of help darken up the lash look, because her eyelashes look super thick in it, and or like more just like a darker tint on her eyes, and I wish my eyes just looked like that, like in general, so maybe we can mimic that a little bit. Hey eyelash, what are you doing? And yeah, I guess I will put a little bit on my bottom lash line, just a little bit. Yeah, we'll do that. All that's left is mascara and lips, so go ahead and go in with my Maybelline New York Total Temperature in the color, I think it's Very Black, I'm not for sure, Very Black or something like that. We're just going to do a very light coat of mascara because that's kind of how she has it. So I'm just going to go over the tops a little bit here and then go on them and kind of shake them out just so there's not really clumps in it. And then for bottom lashes, I'll just put a very, very, very light coat. I'm just going to be putting a little bit of this, I'll just be putting a little bit of this CoverGirl Oh Sugar in the color Soda. You see right there, Soda 7. And I'll just be putting like a little bit of like a tint on my lips, and then I'll be going in with a different tinted chapstick to get that colored. I should have put on chapstick before because my lips are kind of dry. I don't know. And maybe I'll leave it just with this. I think I'll leave it with that. So I'm gonna go fix my bangs really fast and then I'll be right back. So this is the final hair and makeup for this look. No, my bangs are not perfect. I know, leave them alone. Like, I know they need help. They need some growing time before I can actually like wear them for like good bangs. So yeah. But with my hair, you can totally like straighten it or curl it a little bit. If your hair is longer than mine as well, you can like put the curls she does in her hair as well. And even like pin up the sides a little bit. I really can't do that because my bangs are messed up, like I said. So I'm just gonna leave it as this, and yeah, this is the final makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe below, but only if you want to, of course. And with that, I hope you guys have a wonderful day every day. Be cool, guys.